All right, mic drop crew. Today's mission is going to be amazing. I'm checking out the Music Mart. I've never been inside before, but I heard they've got every instrument ever made.
Welcome in, little superstar. Feel free to try any of the instruments you see.
For real? Anything?
Yep, instruments love being played. They've been waiting for someone brave and curious, just like you.
Well then, Winky is in the building. Let's see what I can do. Okay, step 1. Don't get swallowed by the tuba. Yeah, this one's gonna need a little practice. Let's try the drums. Ah, drums! Why are you yelling at me? Stylish, though. Okay, maybe something calmer. Hold up, that was kinda nice. Wait, do I know how to play the piano? And what about this? Oop, try again. Yo, I got skills? Nobody told me that. Yo, I think I just learned something huge. You don't always know your talents. Sometimes you gotta try new things to find them. It's mic drop time. Let's go.
Yo, step in the store, look around, what's this? Drums, guitars, okay, let's dip. Tap on a key, hear the melody flow. Winky got talent, he didn't even know. I'm talented, hey, that's my song. Didn't know the rhythm, but I learned real strong. Try, that's how we grow. You'll find your skills when you give it a go. Pick up the beat, pick up the groove. I'm learning new things, watch me move. If I mess up, that's alright. Try again in the morning, try again tonight. Talent is inside you, talent shines bright. Just keep practicing till it feels just right.
Wow, that was awesome. And you know what? Today I learned something big. Talent isn't about being perfect. It's about trying new things and giving yourself a chance to shine. You've got special skills inside you too. Maybe you found them already. Or maybe they're waiting for you to try something new, just like I did today. So keep exploring, keep practicing, and remember, you are talented, and the world needs what you can do. See you next time on Winky's Weekly Mic Drop.